Good morning, dear students. Very good morning. Today we are going to study next complex permanent tissue, that is phloem. Phloem is a complex tissue made up of living cells, and it helps in the conduction of food in the plant body in both upward and downward direction. What is its structure? Let's see. It consists of four types of cells or elements which are named as sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem parenchyma and phloem fibers. Let's study one by one the structure of these. Observe this diagram of transverse section of phloem tissue. You can see here phloem parenchyma, companion cell, that is sieve pore, sieve tube, and phloem fibers. See this longitudinal section of phloem. So let's describe this sieve tube first. See in the diagram, sieve tubes are collection of thin-walled elongated cells which are placed end to end to form tubular structures. Okay. These sieve tubes, they are associated with the companion cells. So their end walls are perforated in a sieve-like manner to form the sieve plate. The sieve tube has no nucleus, although it is living, and the nucleus of the companion cell controls its functional activities. Actually, metabolic activities for these cells is taken up by companion cell that surround these cells. Okay, so the sieve tubes are the primary conducting part of the phloem tissue. Now, next part is the companion cell. Companion cells lie on the sides of where it is sieve tubes and are connected with them through plasmodesmata. Right? They are thin-walled, small cells with dense cytoplasm and a large elongated nucleus. They are metabolically active and sieve tube elements are dependent on them for metabolism. Right? Companion cells are not present in all plants. For instance, ferns and pines do not contain companion cells. Third is the phloem parenchyma, which are living parenchyma cells associated with phloem. They store food and help in its conduction. Phloem fibers, these are thick-walled, elongated, dead sclerenchyma cells. As you know, sclerenchyma is having presence of lignin, so they provide mechanical strength to the tissue. For example, flax plant, fibers of flax plant, hemp and jute are examples of phloem fiber which are very strong in structure. So all these elements of phloem tissue you can see in the diagram and can understand very easily. Okay, so now we will stop here. We have completed with the discussion of phloem tissue. Thank you students. Have a nice day.